Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt nervous picking up the phone to book a haircut, color, or deep treatment, you are not alone. It can feel awkward asking about prices, or trying to explain exactly what you want over the phone. Let's get straight to the call. I'm going to be the customer, and we have Riya playing the receptionist from Shine Beauty Salon. Listen closely. Hello. Shine Beauty Salon. This is Riya speaking. How can I help you? Hello Riya. I'm Shikha. I'd like to book an appointment for a haircut tomorrow. Sure, ma'am. What time would you like to come? Around 10:30 in the morning, if possible. Let me check. I'm really sorry, ma'am. That slot is already booked. Oh, that's okay. Do you have any other time available? Yes, we have one at 12 noon and another at 3 p.m. Which one would you prefer? I'll take the 12 noon slot. That works for me. Perfect. Would you like to include shampoo and conditioning with your haircut? Yes, please add that too. Okay, so your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow at 12 noon. Haircut with shampoo and conditioning. Great. How much will it cost? The haircut is 300 rupees. And shampoo with conditioning is 200 rupees. All right. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can pay by card or cash, whichever you prefer. Perfect. Thank you so much, Riya. You're welcome, ma'am. Please come 10 minutes early tomorrow. Sure. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of more useful English practice videos. See you next time. Have a great day.